Greetings and a warm welcome to each and every one of you watching me here. My name is Ashwini Chube, and in today's video, we are going to talk about what can we do when we feel stuck, anxious, helpless. Have you been in such a situation where you felt, oh my god, I feel so stuck. I feel I can't just get out of this situation. There have been times when people who are absolutely powerful feel a sense of losing their power. This is very common and very natural to happen because the kind of reality we live in tells you that there are certain facts which are reality and that are going to happen. For example, we are told that eventually things are not going to be good with us, eventually something bad will happen, and that is life. Also, many times when we are in a situation, for example, let's imagine someone loses a job, and at that point of time they feel so stuck, they feel so helpless, they feel now what's going to happen, how am I going to even create that? And instead of asking that question to the universe, that universe, what can I do to get out of this, they just come to a conclusion that that's it, it's the end of it, things are not going to get in a better manner. Access consciousness is one such modality which comes to your rescue when such kind of things happen. And among one of the most important thing access consciousness teaches you is it teaches you to live in the question and to be in the possibility rather than to feel helpless, feel stuck and be in the situation. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss a very quick tool which I always use, and I think everyone who is an access consciousness practitioner or a facilitator knows this tool, which is what we call as expansion. So see, you are not your body, you are a being. Okay, in spiritual sciences, we often learn things that we are a soul. We also learn that we live across lifetimes and all of that. But today we are not going to get into that aspect of it. We are just going to look at we not just being a body, but just we being more than being our body. Interesting, isn't it? Now, when you feel stuck, how do you feel in your body? Okay, in your mind, you're full of thoughts. You're thinking all the time, oh, things are hopeless. Many of you might also be thinking, I'm doing so much, but things don't seem to work for me. But you, my friend, you are the universe. You are the universe vibrating at a frequency. And the more you connect to that frequency, see, we are talking in terms of energy and frequency. We are not talking in terms of facts. We are not talking that, okay, this is a fact, this is happening, this is not happening. No, we are beings of energy and frequency. The moment you want to change something, the best and the most easiest thing you could do is change your energy. Now, do you remember in school you were talking about in physics, we learned that we are beings of atoms and molecules? Yes, you got it right. We are beings, we are masses of energy. We are atoms and molecules vibrating together. When atoms molecules vibrate fast, you are in the state of high frequency. When atoms molecules are vibrating at a very slow, very sluggish rate, you are at a low frequency. When you are vibrating at a low frequency or when you are at a sluggish rate, things don't seem to change. You feel stuck. You keep repeating patterns. But guess what? The moment you choose to move out of that frequency, move out of that energy, and you start vibrating faster, you you almost kick out that pattern and you start becoming something else. You start becoming magic. Many times people ask me, Ashwini, you use the word magic a lot. What does that word magic mean? Does it is it the same as miracles? And I would say magic is when you don't know how things work, but they work. Has it happened anytime in your life? I know you are watching your who are smart, intelligent, intellectual beings. But has it happened ever in your life that something is so quick and it has happened so well in your life that your intelligent intelligence cannot comprehend it, right? I remember there were floods in Mumbai and I had no clue how I was going to reach home, but I got a taxi. The taxi reached me safely to my house, and everyone who was stranded, they felt that they couldn't get a taxi or a bus or a train or whatever mode of transport, and I was safe inside my house where rest of them were struggling to get in. And this was beyond my human intelligence. How on earth, in amidst this entire flood, how the hell did I get that taxi? I still don't have the answer to it. But these are incidences of pure magic, which makes me believe that there's an invisible force higher than each one of us, which is co creating with us. Why I use the word co creator? Because you are creating your life by your thoughts, by your beliefs, by your feelings, by your emotions. But understand you're not creating it alone, you're creating it with a higher energy. And that's why I call this as you being the co creator. So when you're feeling you are stuck in some kind of energy, what is actually happening is you are choosing to vibrate in the same energy. So instead of choosing to vibrate in the same energy, what if you could choose another energy? What if you could choose joy instead of feeling stuck? What if you could ask the universe, okay, universe, show me some magic? The pragmatic tools of access consciousness can give you anything and everything. If you've been a client, if you've been my student or a participant in one of my access consciousness workshops or learnings, you know what I'm talking about and you have experienced it. Every single person who has taken an access class or who has taken up a training has experienced this kind of magic. Okay, so let us do this quick exercise. So next time when you feel stuck, when you feel helpless, we are going to simply do this exercise, what I call as the exercise of expansion. So first understand you are not your body, you are a being. You are a being and you have a body. And the relationship you have with your body, the relationship you as a being are having with your body will determine the quality of your life. If you have a very poor relationship with your body, your life quality will be poor. If you have an amazing relationship with your own body, your life quality will be good. It will give you good health. It will give you relationships which are better. It will give you careers which are better. And in short, it will give you an overall way to understand what to do and how to live. We've been living too long in this reality which keeps us stuck, which has a certain standards and which keeps us stuck in a box. But what if you could think beyond the box? Okay, so we are going to do this quick exercise. I would request each one of you to do this exercise when you are at a relaxed place where you're not driving a car or operating any machinery. Ideally you should be in your house or in your office or at a safe place, and I want you to close your eyes and just locate yourself in your body. Where are you? Are you in your heart? Are you in the solar plexus? Are you in your head? Please note that there are no right and wrong answers. Also, do not ask me after this call, if I'm in my head, what does that mean? No. Access consciousness is not about understanding, because the term understanding itself says you are under something. You're standing under someone, which means you're trying to be someone else. Why do you need to understand? What if you could just have the awareness of where you are? Because most of the tools of access consciousness are not to be understood, they are just to be experienced, and they're just to be creating with magic. Understanding will stop the magic, logic will stop the magic, analysis is paralysis, it will stop the magic. So just be aware of where you are in your body. And now expand yourself so that you occupy your entire body. Wow, that makes you so powerful. At this point of time, if you occupy your entire body, any aches, pains, any physical ailments will also start disappearing because you're giving your body the attention. Usually, pain or illness is your body asking you to give attention. Now, I want you to expand more than your body, expand to the size of the room where you are sitting in. Wonderful, beautiful. That's really precious. You are the size of the room where you are living. Feel four corners of the room where you are sitting. Now, expand yourself to the size of your entire house where you are living, the house where you are living. I want you to expand to the size of that house. Expand further to the size of the building or the flat or the apartment, whatever you call it, wherever you are living. I want you to expand to that. Wonderful, that's brilliant. Next, I would ask you to expand to the size of the lane where you're living in, the area where you're living in, the locality where you're living in. Just expand. And next, expand to the size of the city where you live. If you're living in Bombay, expand to the size of Bombay. If you're in New York, expand to the size of New York. If you're in London, expand to the size of London. If you are in Manila, Singapore, Tokyo, wherever you are, New Delhi, Kolkata, any city, Chicago, wherever you are, expand to the size of that place. Now expand to the entire country where you're living. That is what you truly are. That's your size. Expand more to the size of the continent, whether it is Asia, whether it is Europe, Africa, America, Australia, wherever you are, expand to the size of the continent. And now I want you to expand to the size of the Mother Earth, entire Earth. That is your power. And now Earth is just a dot. You're expanding to the size of the universe. You are the universe. You are the size of the universe, and that is what you truly are. And from then you can even see your body. You will see your body and you'll understand the duality of your existence, which means you are in the body and the universe at the same time. That's the power you have. And I would like to say that that is truly, truly, truly your power. And whenever you are, you know that this is the greatness, the strength of you can come back to your body, come back to your room, come back to your body, feel it, understand that you can expand as much as you want, whenever you want. And if you want to get unlimited, you want to get infinite, you want to have infinite potential, choice, this is what you could do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this exercise. You can do this anytime. You may open your eyes if you wish to. And if your body demands water, your body demands food, just feel free to have it. And understand that follow your body and keep connected to your body all the time and know that you are an infinite being. This is Ashwini Chube, your Access Consciousness coach, facilitator, practitioner. To know more about my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com to know more about Access Consciousness and its pragmatic tools, its potent tools, its powerful tools. Log on to www.accessconsciousness.com. You could find a facilitator in your area, in your city, by logging on to the website and going to finding a facilitator. One of the best things I've done is learned access consciousness, and it's not a modality, guys. It's a way of life. It's living through magic. If you like this video, and if you're watching us on any of our social media, which is our YouTube channel or Facebook or Instagram, do not hesitate to follow us back, to like and share and subscribe to our channel. I'm sending you lots and lots of love, light, lots of ease, joy, and glory to you wherever you are. Thank you. Bye. And I'm sending you lots of love. Bye.